I'm free as a bird now.
And this fish you cannot change.
Oh,
And this fish you cannot. We can harmonize on this line. See.
Okay.
You want to take it from the top?
You cannot change.
Whoa, whoa.
Whose line is this?
And this fish you cannot change.
Change. Lord knows I cannot change. Whose
All
line
right.
is it?
I don't
know. Whose line is it anyway?
I mean, I think this is like a musical interlude, so we just like dance.
Do robot.
Yeah, a little bit of that. Terrible.
I get the first line. I get the first line.
Okay, you get the first line, Source. That's it. I'm gonna pause it, and then when you sing, I'll hit play.
Okay.
All right.
Bye bye, baby. It's been sweet love. Yeah, yeah.
Oh, this feeling I can't change.
Please don't take it so badly.
'Cause Lord, I know that I'm to blame.
If I stay here with you, Fishy,
Things just couldn't be the same.
'cause I'm as free as a fish now.
And this fish you cannot change.
Oh, and this fish you cannot change.
This you cannot change.
Lord knows I cannot change.
From the dancing. Lord help me, I can't change.
Lord knows I cannot change.
Won't you fly high, free, fishy? Yeah.
Lord, I cannot change. Your turn, your turn. Won't
Wait,
you fly
I think we
high?
unsynced. I'm just doing the fish right now.
Bird. Yeah.
Oh no. Oh my god.
It's
What are
going
we doing?
faster.
I think mine just like stopped. What's going on here?
I
This
still
is
go.
we can't hear the music, but this is that part where it gets really, really wild, and it's just like,
That's right.
Oh god. What have I agreed to? When it does actually get back to lyrics, who's taking that first line?
I get the first line.
Okay. Wait, is there lyrics again? No, this is just a really long. It's over. It's over. That's how Freebird goes. It's just like 7 minutes of like. So we just got to do the fish thing. We're freaking rock stars, man. It just happened. 9 minutes long. 2026, y'all. All right. What's next? Any more requests? You guys want more of this? Oh boy. Well, that was good. That was a good time.
Look on
All right, who do we got now? Who's that? Smelly. Who's Smelly? We got Smelly in the house. You joining in, Smelly?
Hold on. It's me, Rudy. I gotta change my name. Somebody must have.
What's up, Rudy? Rudy Brewster.
His name.
Rudy.
Yes.
We can't see you, but do the fish, man. You got to do the fish.
Oh,
Woo!
I made his name smelly. My bad, Rudy.
Rudy, you want to hear something crazy?
Yeah.
You and my daughter think a lot alike. Isn't that weird? Don't they,
You
Emmy
like
kid?
that book?
Huh?
You like the book?
Which book?
Yeah, it's Chicago book.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's a great book. A great book, Rudy. It was an even better musical. I bet it's less entertaining as a book. Annie, that's another musical. Very good. We'll do some fish stuff. Rudy, can you do the fish?
Still going.
Come on. Look at this.
Longest song ever.
It's blowing my mind, actually. It's kind of hypnotizing a little bit,
I
especially
know.
when we synchronize.
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
I love that we've got the same hat. That's amazing. How did that happen? This was meant to be,
Both are women's hats too. Clearly,
clearly.
we both have bonnets too. Women's
It's
bonnets.
true.
Oh, Rudy's got something.
You want to go? You want to go to Bonnets? I think the Bonnet's here. No, the Bonnet's
Oh,
upstairs. I'm
my
not ready for
bonnet's
the
out
Bonnet.
of reach.
Roxy.
Another time.
Rudy,
This-
are you going to do the fish, man? Did you do the fish
Yes, I
yet?
am doing the fish.
You're doing the fish? Yeah, that's it, Rudy. I like that.
Wait, the song's ending. The song's ending.
Rudy, what's your favorite song? What's your favorite song, Rudy? We'll ruin it.
Oh yeah, I like I write the songs, I write the whole world
Oh,
sings.
guess what's next on the journey? Don't stop believing.
Oh my God! Yes. Who is that? A request?
I think it is.
All right. I'm
Yeah,
in.
separate ways makes me think of Don't Stop Believing Me.
Here we go.
You got it that fast?